Hello everybody, it's me, and today is day 17. I am still not very healthy, I think. I'm not fit, but today I think I will manage to do the section of the day. Thank you all for your wishes, for my health wishes. I hope it's getting better, but today it's like, I mean, it's not COVID, so I tested myself, so that's good. Okay, so first we have a Mamba Taffy. I saved the one from yesterday because I can't eat them at the moment. My nose is blocked, so I can't breathe while I chew it. Okay. Yeah, lots of building, I guess. So I put this on a tray. Where's my tray? Here it is. So we do it on a tray first and then connect it if we can connect it. Okay, that's the first one. I'm so tired, but I sleep all the time. So the second one is the Merry Mischief, and as you can see here, we are going near the end or something. Okay, so what have we got here? Okay, it's a grey animal, maybe it's an elephant. Yeah, I think it's an elephant, so we will see this in a few minutes. Okay, so I'll put you up and we do the jigsaws and then we connect it, okay? Okay, so I was right. We have a we have an elephant here with his little kid, I guess. So, and they do celebrate New Year's Eve because, well, that's right after Christmas. And here we have some more buildings, skyscrapers, I guess. And here is the restaurant promenade or something, and we have a few more flags here, so I think, let me have a look. I think we'll go somewhere here. Maybe not. So I'll put you up and then we'll find the spot where it goes. Wait a sec. Okay, so where does this go? Oh, look, it's on this side. Yeah, I thought it would be the other side, but it's here, actually. So, look at that. So, okay, not much left now. I'm doing a wooden jigsaw at the moment, so that's all the nice pieces with the whimsies. Look how cute that is. Best wishes, yeah. But you will see this next week, so I will put, look at that, spoiler alert. But you will see this next week, I think. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for giving me your health wishes. And if you want to make me a little present, then you can hit the like button, because I guess that would help my channel grow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.